Well, today's our last day. We're going to have to head back to the desert. But we're sitting here at Lemon Lake enjoying the early morning sunrise, listening to the crows. And this morning we were visited by about a 3-year-old mule deer doe. She was all by herself, and last night we got serenaded by a great horned owl about 1 o'clock in the morning. He flew around our campsite a couple of times hunting mice. And unfortunately, like I said, we got to go home. But we'll be back Saturday through next Wednesday. Well, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. So, anyway, it's been a wonderful adventure. Me and Roxanne have really enjoyed ourselves. So, okay, everybody, you have a great day.